Hi, let's start. Here in this session, we'll discuss about some file extensions, okay, and how we can convert PowerShell output to those file extension. Okay, we already seen, right, how we can store the PowerShell output to text format, or how we can export to CSV format, right? So in one session, we already seen this, right? Okay, so first we'll see how we can store the PowerShell output as a text file. We already seen this, still we'll see once again. Okay. I'll just take one commandlet, get a one process, and I'll take first five process, select first five. You remember this, right? Out file. Okay. Using this, we can convert this to text format. So we'll give the path. We'll use this parameter file path and see. I'll just store in temp. Okay. See temp process dot text. Okay. So let me run this. So we'll open this process dot text. See, it is stored in text format, right? Okay. Let use append. We'll see what's the difference. Let me run this once again. See, it is appended, right? Second time we run the commandlet, right? So it is appended here. So it's not overwrite, it is appended. Okay. So you got the difference, right? If you use the append, it will just append it. It won't overwrite. Okay. We'll close this for now. So we'll use T hyphen object. Hope you remember this. T hyphen object. Okay. We'll see what's the difference. See, it is displayed here, right? In the console, we got the output. Same time, it is created a text file. Okay. We'll see that. Maybe we can give a different file name. We'll give process one. Let's run this once again. Okay. Let me open this. This process one, right? Yeah. See, this is created here as well. And we are getting the output in the console as well, right? Okay. We discussed text, right? Dot text we discussed. Okay. So we have dot CSV. Okay. Then dot HTML. We can save this as a HTML format, and we can save this as a JSON format. Then XML. Okay. So we'll try all this. Okay. So we already tried text file. So what we'll do now, we'll try export to CSV format. Okay. So we'll write get hyphen process. We'll do pipe, and we'll use where hyphen object, and the alias we'll use now. Okay, as a question mark. Then open bracket. What we'll take process name equal to Chrome. Okay, we just want to display the process name equal to Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome, dollar underscore dot process name equal to Chrome. Okay, let me close the bracket. I'll use the pipe. Then we'll use export hyphen CSV. So you know, right, how to find the commands related to CSV. So we can use here get hyphen command. Then we'll use CSV. Okay. See, we can see all the commandlets, right, which is related to, those are related to CSV, right? Export CSV, even we can import CSV, okay, convert to CSV, right? We'll use export here. So we'll provide the path C dump, will give process CSV dot CSV. Okay, let's run. Now we'll open the process. Okay, see, it is open, right? Fine, it is working. So what we'll do now, let me open that file again. Here we can see some information, right? Kind of heading. If we want to remove this one, this first line, if we want to remove this, let's see what we can use. Just use no type information. Okay, no type information. We'll run once again. Okay, now we'll open the file. See, that is removed, right? Okay. Let's try import a hyphen CSV. Okay, let me clear this. Import hyphen CSV. Then we'll give the path C temp process CSV. This is the one, right? Okay, let's enter. Okay, it is listed, but it is in list format, right? We'll take this in a table format. For what we have to do now, we need to make this as a table format, right? Fine. Just use, you can use format table, or just we can use the alias ft and give the auto size. Okay, so now this is in table format, right? Hope this is clear. So this import we can loop in for each loop. Okay, if we want to find some server name from this CSV, we can use this in the for each. We are using get hyphen content, right? And giving the path, right? You remember? Okay, so we can use import hyphen CSV as well. So next what we'll see HTML, convert to HTML format. Okay, so we'll take another commandlet. We'll take get hyphen hotfix and we'll use convert to HTML. Okay, so if you are using convert to HTML, we need to use again out hyphen file and give the file name, file path, C, dump. So we'll give hotfix, okay, dot HTML. So what we have done here, first we converted, right? After converting, we need to store the file, right, as an HTML. So that's the reason we are using out file here. Fine. Let's run this. Okay. It is stored into this path. So we are into same path. So we'll open hotfix.html. See, this is created in HTML format, right? Okay. So this is just a plain HTML format, right? See, we can make a heading. If you know HTML, you can just do some enhancement on this. Okay. So if you are not sure about HTML, even there are headings and all, you can download it, right? You can just copy from the, you can search in Google and get it. So what we'll do now, I will have one heading, okay, which I already copied here. Let me use this in the script and see how the output is. So these headings, right? These all code stored into this variable, okay? Dollar heading. Where will use this? We'll use hyphen. There is a parameter called head, okay? Use here heading and run the script once again. Let's open the file. Okay. Is there any difference? Okay, no difference, right? Why there is no difference? We copied the, we created this variable, right? But it is not loaded into memory. We have not run completely. We just run selection, right? So it was not taken. We'll run this completely. We'll run the script. Now it is loaded to memory. Okay. So let me open the file once again. I mean HTML file once again. See, there's a difference, right? Like this, you can do enhancement. Okay. If you know the HTML, you can do. Otherwise, you can search for the code. You can add this into script, right? Okay. Same line. What we'll do, we'll try to convert to JSON format. Okay. Let me remove this. Convert to JSON, and we'll just rename this as JS hotfix JS. Okay. I'll give the extension here JSON. Okay. Let me run this. Let me open the file. We stored as hotfix JS, right? Okay. See, this is into JSON format now. I have Visual Studio installed. That is the reason it is showing this output. It is open with the Visual Studio. Okay. Same way, what else we need to discuss? XML, right? You can try XML from your end. Okay. We are using convert to, right? Same, we have convert from as well. Okay. From that specific format, you can convert to PowerShell, right? So we can use convert from option as well. Next, we'll discuss task scheduler. Okay. So how it is, if you want to run some script, specific script, okay, in specific time, okay, you need to schedule that script to run in specific time. So in that case, you can add the script in task scheduler. Let's see. Let me open the task scheduler. This is a task scheduler. Okay. If you go to start and type task scheduler, you will get an option. Just right click here, create task. Okay. So what will run? If any service is in stop state, okay, we can just make one small script. What that script does, if one specific service is in stop state, that will start. Okay. So we'll take WinRM service. Okay, get trade from service. This is in stop state, right? So what we'll do, we'll schedule uh, the service start. For that, let me open the another tab. So we'll just write get hyphen, sorry, start hyphen service, then service name, that is WinRM, right? WinRM. Okay. Just a simple command that will write. This is fine, right? Okay. Let me save this. Start WinRM dot ps1. I saved in ctemp. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll go to task scheduler, then we'll give a name. We can give the task name. Okay. PS underscore service start. You can give any name. Okay. So description, if needed, you can provide the description. This task is to start WinRM. Okay. So currently I will run with the current user. Okay. So you can select run on only when user is logged in, run whether user is logged in or not. You have two conditions here. Okay. So you can select anything. I'll just take this run with highest privilege. Then we have a triggers. Click on triggers and then new. Okay. Here daily you can schedule, weekly you can schedule, monthly you can schedule. I will take one time. So what is the time now? 12 9, right? Okay. I'll give 12 12. Yes, I'll give 12 13. Okay. I'll click OK here. Then we have actions. Click new. Then what we need to provide here, just type PowerShell.exe. PowerShell.exe. Here add arguments, right? Here just hyphen file. Okay. And double quote, give the path. C temp. What is a file name? It is start WinRM, right? Start WinRM. Start WinRM dot PS1, right? Then close this double quote. Then okay, okay, right? So we already scheduled the task. We given 12:13, right? What's the time now? Okay. Let's slightly modify the time. Because yeah, we'll go to task library and we can see which we have created here, right? PS service. So I'll click on triggers. Let me give 12 here. Okay, fine. Let's wait. You can see one task is running, right? See, now we'll see the status. Before it was stopped, right? You can see here it was stopped. Let's see the status now. Get service winner. See, now it is running, right? It is started. So it's clear, right? How we can make a task scheduler. So in the task scheduler, you can change the, one second. Let me open this. So you can change user or group. Okay. You can give system here. Let me search for this. Let me search for system. I'll give OK. So here NT authority system, right? It is refers to the built-in system account in Windows operating system. Okay, this is built-in account in Windows OS. So it means that the task will run with the highest level of privileges, right? If you want, you can change that based on your requirement, right? So what we discussed the extensions and the task scheduler, right? So this is very useful task scheduler. If you write one script, if you create one script, you want to schedule that script. Okay, you want to run in specific timing. Okay, so we have multiple options here, right? One time, daily, weekly. So you can customize such a way as per your requirement. Okay, so that's all in this session. Thank you.